Welcome back to Moses TCG. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close the active window. Let me try to open some programs here. Just as an example. Okay, we wait and let them load. Okay, now from your keyboard you press the out button. Don't remove your finger and press F4 button. Okay, that one will close. And again you press from your keyboard, you press out F4 button, out F4, out F4, out F4, out F4. Yes, out F4, out F4, out F4. So when you press out F4 on the last window, that is the desktop, the command will treat the desktop as an active window. So the options it will bring, it will give you options either to shut down, to restart, to put the computer in sleep mode, to switch user, to sign out, or to sleep. Okay, if you want to restart, you can restart. If you don't want any of that, you just say cancel, then you remain on the desktop. That is today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.